Remakeup da Jawi Kamataya Bobing Manipur na electric car adopt Sakushap Kawai Electric Mobility Policy 2022 release Sahara. Special summary revision raw the electoral roll Katharwi draft ya really pong mihera. Mushum Sankawai Atam Mizale. Lake Yang Tor Ajit the Tangkhul Express without Thangmeiring Chodang in a Pamidale, Bobbing Messiah Nang Rumsa. Manipur Electric Mobility Policy 2022 Aya Chief Minister N. Biren Singh release Sami Hera. Northeastly electric vehicles charging infrastructure kala renewable hybrid energy with Maramli awareness come workshop City Convention Center in Fale Rumida Chile Chief Minister Nagahang State Hilly Electric Vehicle Thangmeiring Sakavaida Manipur Electric Mobility Policy 2022 je Ajukum Pay Gchangni notify cycle policy china Koreanba 2026 kum state we carry your makeup the akum maka electric vehicles sang sakavai sana. Policy we azingni incentive la mida electric vehicles kalo atamni model vehicle tax kukuli 30% suita mirachia. Shorkar department wivang kari log sangla electric kari quick vice sara dahanga. Atam na kangajati shura mi chung sang maman karing krak ngatay maman kari chung sang maman da shongfu ngazi sang kala kari kut kushok aina masi makau kang sakhi leida kari we aina kushok carbon emission na climate change la kwiradale. Chuwivang electric vehicles nina pakamay saya da CM na kasatsanga. India na 2070 kum net zero carbon rinda faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicle scheme la leidale. Kala higda wi maramli Thangmeiring kwai workshop kasa la CSIR ling shikta electric vehicles adopt sakui kwai li kangachon hi darkar saya da CM na hangsanga. Transport Minister Kashim Mashum Naghang electric vehicles Kasha aina EV Thangmeiring kwai scheme initiative ngatete da shok mihera. EV gari bingli parking tickets la mukui mirakala EV wi maramli Manipur Transport Department li SCIR Dehradun na advisor Sami kwai Transport Department aina institute chi MOU shoi sahawra gachila hanga. Manipur Electric Mobility Policy 2022 hina green kala clean Manipur ngasa kwai ling chonra da minister jina hanga. Special summary revision we atishuda photo electoral roll kathar ksem we draft ya really pong mihera. Draft roll publication je singuma tharau tarik akathang na qualifying date sara 43 pong year STAC we 34,772 44 Ukraine STAC we 46,733 kala 45 chinga STAC we 47,389 the total 1,28,894 kadale. Hangdakle electoral roll sem high he finalized masarang laka kangui kazangjang chi masung kui kwai ya really atamidale. Ngaran gaya electoral roll draft chili claim kala objection kleji rak yon December tarik jishad aina tangda masung sang kui kwai atamidale. Hiwi maram aya press kazip pam la concern authority being sanda school aina colleges li electoral literacy club habok sakra kajila tahira. Polling station ni Junaf Bachalas la habo kaurajia. Photo electoral draft chile ngajay kapai, mushung sang laga, final electoral roll zinguma tarau tarik pangatang pongmigi gajina. Photo electoral roll chi registration of electors 1960 we atishuda ngaran gahaina kalachiwi copy yari wivang 44 Ukraine STAC we electoral registration officer ATM office Yukur Mini Secretariat Maningaka Assembly Constituencies Pingwi designated location polling station ni Hamidale. Claim or objection Kaleji Electoral Registration Officer Maningaka STO AERO La Designated Officer Polling Station ni Office Arli Misangig Jina. Ngajay sang kangai kalebing hanga hai abamjili speed post aina la miwa pai kala online aina la nvsp.in maningaka border eci.gov.in lila hangma baira. La voter helpline mobile apps aina la misang baira. Special summary revision atam hili BLOs pingna shim gajida walaga other linkage wasamira. Other linking to wivang form 6 pi sijinra mawansa hai chimhong hai aming khani changda aka khui kishok higata all form number 7 aina savara chekishi khlei PWTS pingwi aming gasang khangchei higata la savara da leidele Singum Tharada Jishat Kaugi Gajibinala electoral role Minjan Gathar Sakwai Form 6 Singda Thasang Pai Pokara. Atumui qualifying dates Gaja Singum Tharada Jishat Kau Shungji Singuma Kaying April Marang July Kala Tatraha October Hibingwi Tarik Akathang Aina Chakra. Minjan Gathar Bingli Epic Card Tarau Tarik Magada Pangathang Mishok Regia. Yernam Haure Wigati Maramli Tangkhul Naga Atolong Pangnala Maringapa Pangshokta Mushun Pichar Samikvai Ngkawhera Long Jinag Big Shok Ligahang Yernam Hi New Dusom Now Mingting Horamwi JCB Travis Asai Kala Ajawan Tarik Taruk to Somaina Sorapung Kui Lamkaili Mina Sata Tailaga Ngakakatiwi Araina Tingrongli Hoktang Mihai Gasanachia Ochoche Tangkhul Naga Atolong Pangna Maringapa Pangshok Ainang Soda Condemn Sahira Mitit Maramji Yangsan Rampina Katakwi Lungli Kyona Bingni Tukuida Kangyi Action Kuipulungrada Long Jinahang Hanga Kala Kanangda Sifuda Kleshim Kuli Mikangyi ex Krasha Mikvai Tangkhul Naga Atolong Pangna Ngakawhera Ajawan Hapta Chingaino Yernam Haureli Yungatali Condemn Sayada Tangkhulwi Orai Mayu Glen Shangna Makamiya Pongshokta Mushun Pichar Samikvai Timan Saira Ngosomi Haure we now Mira Zingum Magada Kanino Yernam Haure Jitang Karamzat Kasana Tipo Driver Assam Gola Kadbimi Ranjit Gola Aina Awi Handyman Jasamino IAP Anili Ngosozat Kasana Dahanga Concerned authority in Maramji Matada Yangsang Mida Kyona Chile Takta to Quick Vaikala Ayin Miatishuda Tandi Mikvai Orai Mayu Clenchina Timan Saira Yungatat Ochod Nada Leda Klechili Makamia Condemnation J Orai Mayu Nautun we Chairman Ringo Haure Ena Secretary Emson Haurena Shoi Sarak Pishoka Tangkhul Music Forum DMF na Makok Kami Kare Tangkhul Music Festival Akama Ena Kanautang Rumi Gidale For the love of music Ji Hina Tu Gisara Music Festival Ji Yukur Down Holy Rumira Chui Haugapo Granyeli 44 AC Yukur MLA Ramuivana Maso Sadava Zangra 1K MLA Tangjam Arun Kumar na Kyawa Sadava Zangidale Kubgasang Tarik Tarada Kutumui Ranyeli 9 AC Thangmeipanwi MLA KH Joy Kishan Singh na Maso Kala MAHUD Director Robert Singh Shetri Mayumna Kyawo Samigidalea. DMF na Simkahai Ngran Ye Atishura Gazipchile Minister Kushim Bashum Aina retired IRS PJP ex MLA candidate Hopkinson A. Shimrela Gazipchile Vazangra. Music Festival Chile Tangkhulwi Mingzat Lat Kahai Lagasan Hoping Kala entertainers Ping La Sharukigidale. Taite Luitui Badmashri Award Guru Rupin Mashangwa Bakmi Mahong Featherheads Zangda artists Ngate Dana Sharukwira Music Festival Kanitang Rung Miki Gajichi Kanitang Music Evening Leidale Ukru Football Club with Jersey Gatar Aya Ukru Football Club Home Turf Crown Langtangli launch Sahara Jersey Gatarji Asia Bodybuilding and Physique Championship with silver medalist Solimla Jajuna launch Samia Angran Angye Chile Ukru District Sports Association with Vice President Lavazanga Ranye Chile Solimla Jajuna Hidada Hanga.
Hello everyone, I'm Solim Jajo, a brand ambassador of Ukru Football Club. Today I'm introducing you the Ukru FC Jersey 2022 edition. It's available for order in red and white. We would love to see you wearing our jersey in this upcoming Shuri Lily Cup. So what are you waiting for? We are ready to deliver to your doorstep. Grab one and let's all cheer for the team together. Thank you. Bye.
Igar Southway Azingni Assam Rifle Shangshak Battalion Namakok Mida Shangshakli Mega Sports Meet Kupsang Haira Ngreong Han Gazipchi Tarik Shini Energy Shatang Rungahaina Ngreong Han Jili Worship Taruk JNV Rambu Patkai Christian School Shangshak New Life Mission School Lungrepung Nidaji Subhas Chandra Bose Awasiya Vidyalaya Shangshak St. Paul's School Rambu Kala ARPS Shangshak Hibing Hiwik Aina Katam Now Shakani Hangmati the Kanina Sharukuya Angran Angyeji Assam Rifle Aina local Ramnauping we Kamashit Kamano Matai make Vaili Rindak Sanachia. Kazip Chile Vagazang Katam Nauping Chile, Ngreong Hanwi Liramli Leda Clay Carrier upon a day the Wimaramli Hangjitakala Ava Avabingli Sainik School Aina RIMC examination we Maramli Palmida Chuivang Katadang Ran Mamirakaji Hangchite Hera. Ngreu ngahan jili bagzang ava ava naungra worshimui miping na airly ningshi pongshokta khanau khanali la higtha ngreu ngahan khurami khwai pohai rajia. Zingkumawi Shanau World Boxing Championship India na makok migi dale. Ogtiwi boxing ngahan hakmakeup kachili gzang championship ji New Delhi li rungmira. Zingkum khani rida Myanmar World Boxing Championship India na makok mira da lake saje global governing body li fees miran makami wibang ran ngeje nothawa. India na Men's World Championship mamakok milak ranga ka Shanawi rungmigi gaji hi zingkum mana kakatumang sara. India na Rida Championship ji 2006 and 2018 lila makok mihaidale. World Boxing hanji zingkum amayok jangpai aina khaying hapta kharewi atamli samang rada Boxing Federation of India with Secretary General Hemanda Kalidana hanga. Horsa kahai tarikje International Boxing Association President Umar Kremlif India Kongli kaknaura da leidale. Ngahanji Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium li samang rajia. Justice Dhananjaya Yashwan Jandrajud na India we 50 Chief Justice ngapam kakui wi tuing shit mihera. Olpam tuing shit kakui ranye chi President Draupadi Murmu na administer samida aya Rashtrapati Bhavan li kuikaya. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit na CJI ngapam aina ajiwi ngapai tarik chi shathang retire sag haina. Chief Justice hi Uday Umesh Lalit wi tijangli senior most judge ngasara Justice Chandrajud na mahut chinaga 2024 kum ngapai tarik tharathang otpam ji vajiho naura. Justice Chandrajud hi Delhi University wi ana LLB kublaga Harvard University LLM aina doctorate in juridical science vakukhuya. Chandrajud na advocate sara Supreme Court li outsider la Bombay High Court with judge masarang laka Gujarat, Kolkata, Allahabad, Madhya Pradesh kala Delhi High Court li la outsider saya. CJI oath taking ceremony chili Vice President aina Rajya Sabha Chairperson Jagdeep Dhangar, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Union Minister Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah aina Kiren Rijiju la bazanga. Shogahaya CJI Lalit la Kazip Chili Bangaruma. Justice Chandrajud na 2016 Karam Gachang Supreme Court ngapam kaka sambanga. Dhananjaya Yashwan Chandrajud hi CJI sangmakapta kapunga YV Chandrajud wi naumiyarana. Manipuli Infosys Springport Hapokvai Manipur Education Department aina Infosys Limited Memorandum of Understanding Shoi Sang Rokhaira. MOU Shoi Kasa Chile Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Education Minister D.H. Basanta Singh, Kala MLA Sapam Kunjageshwar Singh Atumlawazanga. MOU J School Education Commissioner Jan Prakash, Education Director L. Nandakumar, Kala Head Corporate Affairs Santosh Ananthabura, Senior Vice President Infosys Limited Dhirumala Arohi Atumla Shoi Saya. Technology Shichinda Digital Learning Activities Li Ngjon Kwai Corporate Social Responsibility Scheme we azingni memorandum ji shoi kasana. Scheme chili gdam naubing we wangla kala chishud me ping we wangla zang the National Education Policy 2020 li shudak sana. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na Infosys Limited li muya khangai pongshok da National Education Policy ji state li mapung phalak aina zatnang sakar kwai khangjon darka saye da hanga. N. Biren Singh na gang school fakathansi mission kala star education katha hapok mida state shogarna katam gishima thaming sakwai sadale. Corporate Social Responsibility Scheme we azingni Infosys Springport china curriculum mathalak kahai virtual platform kuramida corporate create learning experiences migi gijina. J device psychorally zadra la class 6 we ena atungping tam khangai psychorwang kan khanang sarajia. Rakra Saturday Guptang Tarik Tharada Khnithang Pakshikround Hongpung Le Thotyer Self-Help Group na Housey Bumper Throw Rungmiki Dale. Mutor Pungchiko Aina Hapok Lagang Zin Pungutum Aina Tangda Tangra Kala ticket we Aman Luba Tinkana Jia. Houseful we price Luba Lakani, small price Luba Tintumra Ledale. Ram Nobing na Katom Kamisada Rangarumikvai Thotyer Self-Help Group na Ngakau the later DSHG Chairperson Rose Shimrang na Hangchipuna. Uttarakhand statehood Simiksho Ayam Yonda PM Narendra Modi na Ringkapa Shalam Hangchipunaira. Modi na Kahang Hill State Lipanda Clay Richum Naubing Kapa Otsak Apong Tete Aina India Ngalehi Haksang Resang Kavailing John Mik Highway Bang Ningshia Gala Zatvaki Gajit Singumli Haksang Resang Meirano the tweet Saya. Uttarakhand with Chief Minister Bushkar Singh Dhaminala State Foundation Day Kamyonaining Soda Martyrs Pingli Kayakashimi Hera Dhamina Martyrs Kala Revolutionaries Pingli Kayakashi Kami Enung Soda Uttarakhand Vivang Chikadmi Kahai Atumui Ningrin Atishurang Leji Semkara Dahanga State Chui Capital Dehradun Lila State Foundation we Vang PJB Office Li Exhibition Makok Mida Chief Minister Dhamina Tharkat Kamia Uttarakhand State hi 2000 kum India we Magada Kashini State Ngasaya Singum Kasanga Ngarara Laga 2000 kum Ngapai Tari Chikothang PJB Shorkar we Azingi State Akasada Uttar Pradesh we Ena Kaisho Kamina Ladwida Aju we Kamataya Pauping Manipur na electric car adopt Sakushap Kawai Electric Mobility Policy 2022 release Sahara Special Summary Revision Rao the Electoral Roll Katharwi Traf Ya Rili Pong Mihera Mushum Sankawai Atam Mizale Achu Pao Hiling Janghaira Pong another claim the Tumsai Corally Ringapagala Kamai Zimishong Saserana